Yeah, what's going on, YouTube? Check it. I thought my angle grinder blew the fuck up. See, this is my angle grinder with the steel wool or steel wheel polish wheel. It's old school. It's a little bit rusted. And check this out. It still works. I thought she was broke, but she still works. What I did was I took the back of this off. There's a screw here. Okay. There's a screw here. Take this off. There's two little fucking contacts right here and right here on the inside. And fucking, the contacts weren't touching the copper or the brass contacts in here for the fucking electric. So I had to take them out and take the springs and stretch them out like that on both sides. And then put the thing back together. See? If you're ready to rock and roll. Anyway, you can take one of these, okay? One of these fucking wheels, alright, with the steel wool. I'm going to show you an old mechanic trick. Now, say like your lawnmower's not running. This spark plug was all fucking corroded. The Champion RJ19LM. This was all corroded with fucking fuel and fucking looked like it was burnt and shit. Looks like a brand new spark plug. What you do is you turn this on, have somebody hold this, and then you just go la 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 dee dee doo 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 bop 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 doo 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 la 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 dee 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 dee. Get it all nice and clean, and then if this part's corroded, you go wee wee. Look at it. It's a brand new fucking spark plug, fairly used. All I did was clean it up. Congratulations, you learned something on my channel today. Thanks for watching.